Last minute bombshell in Naples. As always, we're working hard to improve and achieve great results to make our fans proud. Before we dive into today's exciting news, remember to click the like button and subscribe to our channel so we can keep growing together. Today, here's some exclusive news about Napoli's search for a new coach. As you know, this is a crucial decision and we are meticulously analyzing all the available options. According to Sky Sport correspondent Francesco Modugno, the discussion about Antonio Conte seems to be losing steam, with Giampiero Gasperini and Vincenzo Italiano gaining ground. Modugno prefers Gasperini, but his situation at Atalanta is still unclear, especially as the end of the season approach. Napoli face a critical decision, wait for Gasperini's response after the Europa League final or move on with other candidates. In addition, Milanese Stefano Pioli is also being considered, but his contract situation needs to be resolved before any decision can be made. As always, Napoli are carefully evaluating all the possibilities because we can't afford to make any mistakes at this crucial stage. Now, dear Napoli fans, I'd like to hear what you think. Who do you think would be the best coach to lead Napoli next season? Do you agree with Gasperini's preference or would you prefer a different option? Leave your comments below and let's discuss the future of our club together. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to receive more updates about Napoli. Let's keep supporting and cheering our team on to great things. Forza Napoli always! Thanks for following Stati Uniti and we look forward to your feedback. Until next time, Forza Napoli!